Hello Digital Monkey School students. Today I thought I'd show you why your quick smoke and fire does not show up in your render view when fire is set up and ready to go. Select the sphere in our scene, go to Object, Quick Effects, Quick Smoke. We currently don't have any fire because we need to select our sphere again. Go to our physics properties, change flow type from smoke to fire and smoke. Reset domain resolution so that we can see changes taking place. Preview by pressing spacebar. You can see that simulation has both fire and smoke. But if I go to my material preview or render preview, all I get is smoke and no fire. To fix that, I'm going to drag out this window right here, change it to shader editor. I'm going to look at the material for quick smoke domain. Change the value of block body intensity to 1 or higher. You can see that in my render preview and in my material preview, I now can see the fire. I hope you learned something new today. We're Digital Monkey School. Please like us and subscribe, and I talk to you in our next video.